Get ready, because what you're about to see isn't just another SUV story. This is a German-Spanish power play that will shake the roads to their core. Ladies and gentlemen, meet the Abt Cupra Formentor VZ and the Abt Cupra Terramar VZ, two beasts born from a partnership that refuses to settle for ordinary. Abt Sportsline, the legendary German tuner, joined forces with Cupra, Spain's boldest performance brand, and the results? Pure fire. Forget everything you thought you knew about Cupra, because the Formentor has just exploded past its limits, pushing out a monstrous 400 horsepower and a gut-wrenching 470 newton-meters of torque. That's not just an upgrade, that's a declaration of war against boredom. And don't think the Terramar is playing second fiddle. Oh no! From a modest 265 horsepower, Abt unleashed it into a raging 325 horsepower 450 newton-meter weapon on wheels. Both come strapped with all-wheel drive, ready to claw at the pavement like wild animals desperate for speed. But Abt didn't stop with power, they went full savage with the styling. Aggressive front spoilers, bold apron attachments, roof-edge spoilers, and those monstrous 21-inch Abt Prime wheels wrapped in rubber so fat they could grip the moon. And yes, even the floor mats shout Abt, because why not remind you that you're driving something special every single second? This isn't just about transportation, this is about domination. For just over $6,000 on top of the price tag, you can turn your already daring Cupra into a rolling thunderstorm of speed, style, and soul. The Formentor and Terramar Abt aren't cars you simply drive, they're cars you unleash. So the question is simple, are you bold enough to tame them?